Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Justice and this is Mr. J Graphics. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you I'm going to teach you how to design a real estate room flyer. Without much further ado, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, don't forget to click on the bell, and the bell helps you to get notified or to be updated anytime I upload a new video. And also don't forget, if you find this video helpful, do me a favor and like this video. Please like this video, please like it for me. Without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. So now I'll go to Photoshop. Once I'm come here, I'm going to create the size that I'm going to use. So I'm going to create it. The size will be A5. I'm going to use A5 to design this. A5. I'll make this 1 inches. Let me make it. Okay. And so I'm going to now I'll go directly to. Okay. So now once I'm done with the size, what I'll do is I'm going to bring in my picture, right? So the picture that I'm going to use this is the picture I'm going to use. I'm going to use this picture right here, like that. So I'm going to place it here. Once I place it here, I'm going for rectangle and draw something like that. And once I'm done, I'm going to hold my control key on my keyboard, drag this one up here like this. Then I press OK. Now I'm going to drag this instead here like that, and I'm going to expand it to this level. I'm going to expand it to this level, and I'm going to hold my control on my keyboard, click and drag this point right here like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rectangle to custom shapes. Then I drag this, I draw something like this in here. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going to click on it. You see, when you bring your pointer at the edge of this, it will turn. You're going to see the rotation. Okay, so we just have to rotate it, and then here you go. So I'm going to expand this here like that, and now this is what I'm going to get. I'll go for my convert point to right click, drag this one up with my arrow keyboard, the arrows on my keyboard, right? The arrow keys. And I'm going to hold Alt key on my keyboard and drag this one to down like that. Okay, then I rotate this a little bit to seem like this. Okay, now after I'm done, I'm going to gradient overlay. Once I'm in gradient, I'm going to click on this and then use this color as well. So I have to use, so after I'm done this one, I'm going to rasterize this. I'm going to right click here and copy layer style. You just right click on the layer and you copy layer style, then you come to this one and you right click in here and then you paste. So you're going to get the same thing. Now I'm going to rasterize this, rasterize it, and create add noise. This is too much, so I'll go to filter, noise, add noise. Then I think this is okay for me. 6.6 is okay for me, and I'm going to close it like that. Now after I'm close it, I'm going to create, I'll go to rectangle ellipse tool and I'm going to draw something here, saying this is where I'm going to place my I'm going to place the name, my name in here. So I have to I'm going to create stroke for it. And now the stroke, you see there's fill type tool, so you just click it and you're going to see gradient. I'm changing the layer style to linear, and once I'm done, I'm going to change the colors. I'll just get rid of this. I need to increase the size of the, so I'm going to increase it a little bit like that. And now I'm going to type in my name, so I'll go to text tool and then I'll click on that, change the color to so I'm going to type Mr. J, Mr. J, Mr. J Real Estate, Mr. J Real Estate. Okay, now I just have to highlight all of them and come to character. I need to close the space in there, so okay, now I'm going to change this one to regular and then decrease the size a little bit. Need to decrease the size. Decrease the size a little bit like that. Change the color to something like this. And drop this one here. Let me give out a shadow and see how it's going to look like. Okay, that's okay. And I had to close this. Now I'm going to add some of the information right there. So I'll go for rectangular, and I'm going to add this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the details. So I'll go to I'm going to add contact us, right, 0502224 So this is what I'm going to add, another number 024. Just type in the name Sikov. So the number is not the right number. I'm just typing because of this tutorial. So then I have to add the contact in here, then change this one to white, contact us. So I'm going to add this one right here. Then I'm going to type we have executive is that the spellings? We have executive rooms, luxury rooms, comfortable rooms, comfort rooms, and it's very affordable. So I'm going to close in the gap like that. So we just have to position them right here. change this one to white. Now I'm going to type in some kind of motto. Your safety, your safety, right? So all these informations are something that I'm creating. Okay, your safety is number one. Priority. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, so you can help me out there. So I think we are done for the day. Thank you so much, guys, and please do me a favor and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that if any new video, don't forget to click on the notification bell. That helps us to it help you to get more notified anytime I upload a new video. Please also try to leave a comment, whatever that anything that you see